Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei GT 4 smartwatch to your phone. First, make sure your watch has at least 20% battery and is turned on. Next, download the Huawei Health app, which is available on both Android and iOS app stores. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone to allow it to find your new smartwatch. Once the app is installed, open it and go to the Devices tab. Tap Add Device and then choose your Huawei GT4 from the displayed options. A pairing request will appear on both your phone and watch. Simply confirm it on both screens to establish the connection. This step usually takes only a few seconds to complete. After successful pairing, the app will begin synchronizing data and may prompt you for a firmware update. It's important to allow this process to ensure optimal performance. Grant all requested permissions, such as access to notifications and location, for a complete experience. You can then personalize your watch face and adjust health tracking preferences. If you encounter any connection problems, try restarting both your phone and your Huawei GT4 smartwatch. Regularly check for updates to the Huawei Health app and your watch's software to ensure compatibility and new features. Also, make sure the Huawei Health app is allowed to run in the background on your phone for continuous data synchronization and notifications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.